Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Lorna, and if you're new here guys, please consider subscribing to my channel for more amazing hair care tips and tricks. So guys, today I'm so excited and I just want to share with you a DIY protein hair mask made from moringa and eggs. This mask is packed with nutrients that can transform your hair from making it stronger and shinier. So let's dive into the benefits of these ingredients and I'll show you how to whip up this mask at home. So guys, we're using combination of natural ingredients and I have moringa powder and also I have rosemary, essential oil and coconut, which is famous for moisturization, and also I have another ingredient which is an egg, which is a powerful protein boost guys. So moringa is packed with essential nutrients including vitamin A and E, iron, calcium, which nourishes scalp and hair. And now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and coconut oil adds deep moisture and shine to your hair. So guys, while making this mask, make sure to use coconut oil. And our next ingredient is rosemary essential oil, which is known for stimulating scalp circulation and enhancing hair growth. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of rosemary oil guys. Sorry guys, I did not mention lemon juice as one of my ingredient, but I'll be using 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and lemon juice helps in removing buildups, exfoliates scalp, and reduce smell of the egg. I also have an egg, which is my other ingredients, and this egg is rich in protein that helps to repair and fortify hair strands. So our next step is mixing all the 4 ingredients together until you have a smooth, consistent paste. So I'll continue mixing the mixture until I achieve the desired consistency, but you can see the mixture is too thick. I'm going to add some water and mix it well. So mixing these ingredients into a paste is really important for several reasons. The first reason is for uniform application, for enhanced absorption, for easy application, and for optimal consistency. And as you can see guys, the paste was a little bit thicker. That's why I'm adding some water, and this is going to help me achieve the consistency that I really want. So my mixture is still thick, and I'll continue adding small amounts of water until the paste reaches preferred consistency. The goal is to make the mask smooth and spreadable without being runny. So guys, if you want to achieve a softer paste, because mine is a little bit rough, you can sift the powder. You can also blend the mixture with the liquid. You can use a blender, and also you can strain the mixture. So if you want to know whether the paste is well mixed, it should not be too thick or too runny, making it easier to apply and wash it out. So I'm just going to talk about benefits of these ingredients to your hair. For the egg and moringa, it helps in strengthening hair. For rosemary and moringa, promotes hair growth. For coconut oil and egg, it helps in moisturizing and hydrates. And for moringa and rosemary, it improves scalp health. So I'm just going to apply this hair mask, and having braids are so easy to work on. So I'll apply the mask generously, beginning at the roots and working my way to the tips, ensuring that all the strands are coated. So I'm just working on my first section of the braids, and during the application of this mask, it can be a little bit messy, but I know I can manage. So guys, for those people with sensitive skin and allergies, you can always perform a patch test before application. And also guys, I use this mask once a week, but if you have dry and damaged hair, you can use it at least 2 times a week. So now I'm done with the first section, and I'm going to apply it on my second section, repeating the same procedure that I used earlier, from applying the paste from the roots to the tips. So when preparing this hair mask, you can always adjust the ins based on your hair type, your needs, and the length of your hair. The egg in this mask can have a strong odor, and that you can add a few more drops of essential oil because they like to mask the smell. You can also use lemon juice as I've used in this mask. Guys, I really love this mask, and you can always prepare it at home and use it anytime. This hair mask can provide best results with regular use over time. So guys, we are done with the application, and I'm just going to gather my hair into a pan, and I'm going to cover it using a plastic bag, and I'm just going to leave it for a while, for like 20-30 minutes or so, for maximum absorption. If any mask is left over, you can store in an airtight container for up to 2 to 3 days. However, advise against long-term storage due to the fresh ingredients like egg and moringa. So I'm just going to cover my hair using a plastic bag, and covering your hair helps trap heat, which can enhance the mask conditioning effects and allow the ingredients to penetrate more deeply into the hair shafts. Leave the mask for 20 to 30 minutes or up to 1 hour. It's now time to wash the mask out, and first I'm going to wet my hair using lukewarm water, and this helps to loosen and dissolve the bulk of the hair mask. So gently I'm going to work my fingers through the hair to dislodge any bits of the mask, ensuring the mask is evenly rinsed out. So avoid using hot water, as it can cause the egg in the mask to cook and become harder to remove. So continue rinsing the mask until most of the mask is rinsed out before shampooing. So guys, be gentle when working your fingers through your hair, cause rough handling can lead to tangles and breakage, especially if your hair is coated with thick mask. For easier removal of the mask and detangling your hair, consider using a wide tooth comb while rinsing. This step of rinsing actually gave me a hard time, and I just had to spend more minutes rinsing out the hair mask. So I'm just going to talk about the benefits of rinsing your hair before shampooing, and our first point is it helps in loosening residue. It also prepares hair for shampooing. It also helps in reducing buildup. It helps in preventing residual mask from cooking. It eases detangling, enhancing cleansing efficiency. So guys, as you can see, the initial rinse actually took me a lot of time, but I was able to manage it within a few minutes. Yeah guys, I hope you consider this as the first part of washing your hair, and you don't really need to skip this step and shampoo your hair directly, because that's actually wrong. So I hope you enjoy watching my video and watch it to the very end. After the initial rinse, apply a generous amount of shampoo to your hair, focusing on the scalp. Gently massage the shampoo into your scalp and roots to break down and lift away any remaining mask residue and excess oils. The first shampoo step helps to clear out most of the mask and prepares your hair for a more thorough cleanse. So the first shampoo in your hair washing routine offers several key benefits, and the first one is it helps in removing residual mask. It helps in preparing for thorough cleansing. It prevents product buildup, and also it reduces oil and excess dirt, and also it enhances foaming and lather. So guys, make sure you wash your hair twice by ensuring that you shampoo your hair twice. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just rinsing the shampoo off, and all the residue and oils will be rinsed off. Continue rinsing your hair thoroughly until all the foam is removed from your hair, and that's when you'll be ready for the second shampoo. For a deeper cleanse, apply a second smaller amount of shampoo to your damp hair, focusing on the scalp and the roots. And this step ensures that any remaining residue of this mask is fully removed, leaving your hair clean and freshened. Massage the shampoo into your hair, ensuring that it lathers well. Guys, I just love washing my hair, and this process is actually amazing. As you can see, the shampoo is lathering so well. I can just feel that my hair is now clean, and it's now time to rinse the shampoo out. As you can see, yeah, I'm starting to rinse out, and I'm going to make sure that all the shampoo is rinsed out, leaving my hair clean and free from any dirt, oils, and any residue. So guys, this is part of my every weekly routine, and I really enjoy doing this because I really believe that for you to achieve healthy hair, your scalp must always be clean. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, that's how we prepare Moringa egg protein mask at home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more hair care tips and DIY beauty tips. That's all for today. See you on my next video.